Hello students, in today's video I'm going to do sum number 21 of exercise 13.2. So students, till now we have done 1 to 20 sums in our online class, as well as I have sent the PDF also. So 21 onwards we will start today. First you have to find the value of k. You can see the statement, find the value of k in the given figures. So two figures are there. Before we start, I would like to discuss with you what is a complete angle. Till now we have done the types of angles like acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. You have all read about this in your book also. Everything is given. And one thing was there, that is straight angle. You know that. What is the straight angle? The angle whose measurement is equal to 180 degrees. So this is the straight angle. From the straight line makes the straight angle. So another type of angle is, this is a straight angle. Now if I complete this semicircle into a circle, I complete this semicircle into a circle, then it becomes a complete angle. Okay, this is the point around which the angle is moving. So if I start from here, this is 0 degree. If I start from here till here, it is 180 degree. And if I still move further and again reach to this point, it means from here moving all around till here, it is 360 degree. How? Half semicircle is 180 degree. Another half semicircle is again 180 degree. 180 plus 180 will give you 360 degree. So the measurement of the angle around a point is called a complete angle, and the measurement of this angle is called 360 degree. Okay, the measurement is equal to 360 degree. Clear students? Complete angle, all the angles, sum of all the angles around a point. Suppose here we are having the first part of 21 sum. This is the point and many angles are there. Around the point many angles are there. This figure is given to you. This is 90 degree, the first angle. This small angle is 30 degree. This is 3k minus 25. This is 2k plus 80 degree. We have to find the value of k in this figure. So what we will do, we will add up all the angles and we will equate it equal to 360, because these are the sum of all the angles which are making a complete angle. Complete angles means there is a point, you can draw many angles, and then if you add up all the angles around a point, if you add up all the angles, sum of all the angles will be equal to 360 degree. So same here, a point is there and many angles are formed around it. Sum of all the angles will be 360 degree. It is called complete angle. Okay, so here in given figure, what we will do, we will add up all the angles. First angle is 3k minus 25. You can start from anywhere. You can start from 90 degree as well. Okay, 90 is there. 3k minus 25 degree plus 30 degree plus 90 degree plus, there is no space, I am writing here, 2k plus 80 degree. 2k plus 80 degree is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. You can write here reason, complete angle. Complete angle. Or you can write this reason, sum of all the angles around a point is 360. Any reason you can write. So here 3k and 2k both are positive. 3k is positive, 2k is positive. It will give me 5k. 3k plus 2k, 5k, and 25 is negative, 30 is positive. 80, 90, you can add up all. You are having 90 degree, 80 degree and 30 degree. Positive, 80, 90 and 30 all are positive. So you can add up all. You will get 200 as total. 90 and 80 170 plus 30 200 and 25 is negative. So you will subtract 25 from this, you will be getting 175 degree. Okay, so 175 as a total you will be getting. So 5k plus 175 is equal to 360. Did you get from where this 175 came? I have added all the positive angles and then negative was 25. I have subtracted that. So now 5k will remain here because I want the value of k. 360 minus 175. Positive, it will be shifted there. So k 360 minus 175 will give me 185, and this 5, it is in multiplication, will be in division in the RHS. RHS means right hand side. So 5 1 is 5, 5 3s are 15, 3 carry 35, 5 7s are 35. So k's value will be 37.